Immediately once I walked into the clean room, I got that rush. Whoa, okay, this is what it's like to work with semiconductors and work in a clean room. The hands-on experience at University of Idaho, it's really valuable because there's so much that you can only get from being in person.
Semiconductors are the foundation of modern life, which enables technologies that power everything from microphones to medical devices. Today, in collaboration with industry leaders like Micron, through the next generation Microelectronics Research Center, we provide students with hands-on research opportunities, target certificate programs, and clear pathways into the semiconductor workforce.
With Micron's main goal of innovating semiconductors, it's really important that undergraduate students get that semiconductor experience coming into Micron so that we can kind of get a running start and really understand what processes from start to finish that Micron has to do to actually come out with a final product. The objective of this was to, from start to finish, build a fabrication process where we could build a silicon solar cell and fully test its efficiencies and build a lab manual based on this to hand down to future Vandal students.
This solar cell project is a student-led capstone design project. It is a great example that we combine research, education, and social impact. Students begin to see how their work connects to a broader global challenge. This is exactly the mindset we need for the next generation of semiconductor engineers.
We're here at Micron in Boise, Idaho. There is a ton of expansion going on here at the site.
It's just amazing what the students are able to accomplish in just a year. It goes back to those strong fundamentals and the work ethic.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. You get a diversity of experience at the University of Idaho. We did a lot of lab work plus classroom work. Really understanding the circuits and the layout was the biggest thing for us in semiconductors. That's key for most of our engineering roles here.
I've previously interned with Micron and I have an upcoming internship with Micron, and really what I learned from them is that it's so quick, it's so fast-paced. You'll replace a third of your skills almost every year with new skills. And so understanding that and really leaning into that learning experience and not being afraid to be wrong and ask as many questions as possible is kind of what I've learned from Micron. And it's benefited me in school tremendously in my coursework, but also future opportunities. I'm incredibly grateful for the Next Generation Research Center at the U of I to allow me to kind of learn more and really test my skills. If you would have told me at the start of my college career that I would walk out with a fabricated solar cell and have fully developed it and understood all the properties behind it and be able to make strong decisions with it, I would not have believed you.